Good evening, all members present over here. So it's my sincere gratitude to APTPO Consortium and Gayatri Vidya Parishad leadership team and all members of APTPO Association who are making this engagement to a bigger level, who are bringing within 4 years or 4 different such kind of platform they have extended. And thanks to all my co-sponsors who have supported this event. So though we are not in a big mood to accept or listen much, still we have to reach the end. There is dinner, other things are waiting. So we'll start with a small presentation. I will not speak much about EduSkills or me. I will rather bring what are the value additions EduSkills can bring for the institutions, what we are bringing for the institution till now. That is what I will highlight. So EduSkills is almost, we are into this domain for more than 12 years. Almost 20 to 23 states of India we are working. We are having footprints. And if you consider government, private, deemed to be top, there is more than 50 plus universities who are availing our services or supports. And 850 means by now it's 900 plus. This is a earlier slide. 900 plus institutions are availing our services, and we are accredited by these bodies: AICTE, Minister of Education, MSME, Niti Aayog, all. Please. These are our corporate partners who are supporting the programs. Why we are telling corporate partners? These corporate partners, they are having academic program for the institutions. So we are the strategic partner for these corporates to drive these programs pan-India. So like AWS, Juniper, Palo Alto, all. These are few affiliating universities who are associated with us. They are having member institutions who are availing all these facilities because we are having MO with these universities. These are some universities deemed to be universities, private universities. So here, yesterday we were into Gitam. Gitam is added to the list. In the same way, so many others are there. We are the only a social edtech organization who have signed MOU with AICTE Minister of Education to provide 1.5 million internships by 2025 with the support of all these corporates. So the 4th cohort has been completed successfully, where 85,000 have completed virtual internship. The 5th internship is open for registration. 30th, tomorrow is the last date with 12 domains. And the last event, national event which was happened at Delhi, this was the rank list, internship rank list was published by AICTE EduSkills. The institutions, university institutions who have performed good, these are the top list which were published. You can see so many from AP Telangana. So we are expecting many support from you, because all our program free to student. So we can proudly announce anywhere that is a transparency, everything is free to student. But availing all these, institution has to become a member. There are so many benefits whatever the institution is paying to EduSkills as compared to that. So this is the 5th cohort what I told. 12 domains were published. The registration last date is tomorrow. Till now we have received 79,000 something students who have registered to these internships. They will go for shortlisting, then they will go for course, then they will go for assessment, then the last stage will be capstone project. After that, AICTE will award them with the internship certificate. In the same way, these are accepted by AFSI. We are having MOU with AFSI for providing internship to all AP colleges for degree, diploma, engineering, all. We are having association with AFSI. And in AFSI there are 2 programs. One is a short term 2 months of internship, another is long term 6 months of internship. Both are available. You might be getting, some of you might be getting circular from AFSI to avail all these internships. And we don't stop at internship. After internship, we connect many corporate hirings. For example, Hexaware, Paytm, TCS, Capgemini, Infosys, they hire from our trained candidates in almost all years. These are few things are listed out. Here you can see some numbers are listed out. Hexaware, this is the last year status. And the placement package range between 3.5 to 54 LPA. Juniper itself hires with 44 and Palo Alto hires with 54. The range starts with 3.5 and reaches up to 54. That is the kind of statistics on which we work. Next. These are some students who have really benefited from EduSkills engagement. They have given their testimonials. You can see many students have received more than one opportunity with different packages. And last time we have hosted the job fair in September at Hyderabad. The venue was VBIT, where 14 corporates have participated. Almost 5,000 students have participated in that job fair, and 700 offers were declared on the same day. So some institutions from AP and maximum institutions from Telangana have participated in that job fair. We are planning, because of the current situation, we are not getting like last time support, but we are getting some support. Still hiring is going on. Yesterday also we have published one hiring from Quality Kiosk with big good package. Some hirings are going on, but we have to accommodate for another 3-4 months or maybe for more 2 quarters. Everything will come to the normal situation. That's what we are perceiving after discussion with the industry. So now the best practice to this time is, like who are good at share market, whenever any share falls they try to purchase. Who are having that experience. In the same way, whenever this is the kind of trend, we should ask our student to go for more certifications. Whenever everything will be open, they will have better opportunity, multiple opportunities. This is one wiser way we can suggest. Instead of following the companies, let them go for the certifications. And from EduSkills engagement, one student can avail 4 certifications, these corporate certifications. We don't certify any student. All the students are certified by the corporates like AWS, Palo Alto, Juniper, Celonis. So one student can avail 4 certifications in a year. So if you consider a BTech student in 4 years, he can avail 16 certificates. And for that, the institution has to become EduSkills member institution. We are having member institution scheme for 10 years, 5 years and 3 years. But the cost is very nominal. And our members are also here available. Vivek, Preeti, Deepak, you can stand up. So if you are interested, you can connect with them. We are not here for our business promotion, but this is a good platform, and we all are working with the same intention to extend the benefit to the students. That's why we are here. We are having good footprint in AP Telangana. Still, we need more expansion. We host so many, we are telling about means industry, academy, gap, so many things, but we are addressing with many solutions. We invite HR people, talent acquisition team, in person as well as virtual to all the member institutions. These are the some last time hosted. Even if JP Morgan or McKinsey, we invite them also to the talks. Next. So some events we host with the support of corporates. Last time we have hosted the event with the support of AWS, because AWS has established a data center in Hyderabad. For that, they were a requirement of around 3,000 students, trained students on AWS cloud. Out of the 2,000, they had a commitment to Telangana government that they will go for 60 to 70% women into the workforce. That was the commitment for which we were the partner. We have completed the AWS one women empowerment program on cloud. That was for AP Telangana. Now the same is going in a bigger way with 25K target. We host multiple EDP, means faculty development programs or education development program. We are also now approved by AICT for hosting AICT EduSkills internship as well as AICT EduSkills faculty development program. So for that we need support from you. We need institution venue, no other support. Only institution should provide venue and hospitality for those 5-6 days. where trainers from our side, and it will become institution AICT and EduSkills faculty development program. And one more benefit from this engagement, institution will have individual agreement with each corporate. Like institution will have agreement with AWS, Palo Alto, Blue Prism, Celonis, like that, which on the spot adds value for all kind of accreditation and ranking like NAAC, NBA, NIRF, ARIA, and whenever we are applying for sponsor projects, funded projects, or becoming PI of any project, all these things are adds value to it, because these are approved by AICT and Ministry of Education. So this is the last year event which was happened at Delhi, where AICT people have recognized the institutions, the leadership team from the institutions who have really contributed good to the internship, AICT internship. Why AICT is taking it seriously? Because there is a mandate from our Honorable Prime Minister to provide 1 crore internship by 2025. That is a mandate to Ministry of Education. That's why AICT Ministry of Education is taking it seriously, accommodating all possible supports from multiple corporates to reach 1 crore internship by 2025. That is why they are promoting much, and all these are free to students. All these, and they have recognized many institutions, many vice chancellor, principals in that forum for the best performing or contributing to the Honorable Prime Minister's mission of 1 crore internship. This year the same event is going to happen in November at Goa. So lot of many things are there. Please move to the next one. These are some slides, please keep. So something new, 2 new things. Almost every year we add new services for our member institution. This is something we have hosted one journal. It's International Journal of Innovation in Multidisciplinary Scientific Research, IJIMSR, whose chief editor is Professor Dr. K.K. Agarwal sir, who is the NBA chairman. Please try to understand the kind of people we are trying to onboard, so that directly our institutions can get all these benefits. There are so many other members from AICT, ex-chairman, so many things, means we are in discussion. They will be guiding our member institutions, and also we are planning to host multiple NAAC NBA accreditation process guideline workshops. Apart from this, another new thing we are going to add, we are adding internships for civil and mechanical students from the next cohort, which is not there. Till now, our entire focus was for IT, ITS, but next cohort onwards, we are adding internships for civil and mechanical students, because many requests we are getting, there is not much opportunity for core branches. That is how we are working. We are trying to resolve almost 360-degree support to the institution, starting from corporate MOU till student placement. Thank you. This is all from the EduSkill. These are the member institutions. If you are interested, so they are there to guide, and you can be connected with them, so that all these member institutions who have not availed till date, they can avail all these benefits. These are some certificates are issued by the corporate. Next. Okay, so this is all about EduSkills. Thank you a lot. Thank you, Venkat Rao sir, for providing the opportunity.